Hi students. Next, this is also you can study about applications of Avogadro law in our day-to-day our life. So this is another example. As you blow up your basketball, you are forcing more gas molecules into it. We know that the more molecules, the greater the volume the basketball inflates. And then next example, in our day-to-day our life, balloon also we can blow. A balloon filled with helium weighs much less than the identical balloon filled with air. That means helium gas is very less weight compared to another gas molecules. So both balloons contains the same number of molecules. Helium atoms have lower mass than either oxygen molecules or nitrogen molecules in air. So the helium balloon is very less weight, so it is lighter. Then another applications of Avogadro law in our day-to-day our life. A flat tire takes up less space than an inflated tire because it contains less air. Then first point of applications of Avogadro law, we know that it explains Gay-Lucas law. So Gay-Lucas is a scientist. He also explained about gas molecules contained under the conditions of temperature and pressure. So you look at the picture, the tire also contains molecules, gas molecules filled with the gas molecules using with the pressure and temperature to give the equal volume of gases. If temperature increases, pressure also increases. If pressure increases, then the temperature also increases. So equal volumes. Similar conditions of temperature and pressure. These and all explains. Then another example in our day-to-day life, Gay-Lucas law. So already I told you, the temperature of container is increased, the pressure also increases. The temperature of container decreases, the pressure also decreases. So look at the picture, you can understand the concept. And then these and all another example, relations between temperature and pressure. So both are equal. So this law, flexing the tire, you drive invertibly, raises the temperature of air in the tire, pressure of the gas also increases. So both. Another example, lungs expand as they filled with air in our human body. Exhaling decreases the volume of the lungs. Exhaled means, you know that exhaled means we can give the gas molecules, carbon dioxide. Inhale means we can inhale oxygen molecules. Exhaling carbon dioxide. So exhaling decreases the volume of the lungs. So another one is, a balloon filled with helium weighs much less than the identical balloon filled with air. Both balloons contain the same number of molecules. Helium atoms have lower mass than either oxygen molecules or nitrogen molecules. This and all already I told you. So both are same molecules, but density is different. Another one example, real life example, blowing up a balloon is an example of Avogadro law, because it says as you blow more molecules of air into balloon, it expands. We know that we can blow the balloon slowly, we can give the low gas molecules expand slowly, but we can give the more air molecules, the balloon will be blow fast and expand. This is the example in our day-to-day our life using with the applications of Avogadro law.